Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the isometric view of a semicircular plane, how to draw the semicircular plane in the isometric view. So let's see. So the question given here, draw the isometric view of a semicircular plane of diameter 60 mm. First condition is given, it is kept on the horizontal plane. Second one is given, it is kept on the vertical plane. That means we need to draw, when it is kept in the horizontal plane, that means we need to keep the position like this. That means it is in the sloping position, it is in the horizontal plane, it is lying on the horizontal plane. And second condition, when it is in the vertical plane, that it should be perpendicular to the horizontal plane and it should be parallel to the, in that condition we need to keep it. So let's see in the AutoCAD. So first we'll go for the NB setup for creating the page and no metric, scale factor 1, and this is 420 and this is 297. Now we'll select the line. Select this line and go for this reference line, and now I'll just draw a box here, rectangle here, which is having 30 and this is 60 and this is 30. Again I'll back to 60, just I close it, and let me draw one circle in this, take the midpoint of this and just join it here and go for trim it. Okay, so I can see I have drawn the semicircle in a rectangular box. Let me measure the dimension of this. Obviously it will be 30 and another one will be, it will be 60 is there. Okay, then the next part is these things we need to draw in the isometric view. So to draw the isometric view, we can go for two methods are there. OSNAP, type it and go for snap grid, select the isometric snap. Okay, now it came the, you can see our cursor was changed from orthography to isometric. Now we select this one and take any one point. You can see this is right side, right was selected, so I'll go for 30, again 60, now come back to again 30, again go for 60. So one side I completed. Now in this again I'll just draw the line and line I'll select and I'll go for this from here to 30, enter and drop this point. Okay, now here what we can do, we just enter it, next to just join the diagonals. Okay, join these diagonals and from here join to this midpoint of this. Okay, here midpoint is not identified because we have not drawn in line here, I hope. So let's draw one line here. Okay, then we can get the midpoint of this. Why it is not taking the midpoint? Let me check it once. Now select all. Okay, line. I hope something happened. Yeah, line. Yeah. Okay, now the next thing is we need to just draw the arc. Go for the arc here, select the center, start, end. Now this one we just select this and we can draw in this way. Now see, it is coming in this mode, just you control your tab, then come in this way and it will be joined like this. Very simple. Next again you go for the line and here you draw 30, that means how much you drawn in the top, same 30 you draw here and just join in this opposite corner of this. Okay, and again you go for the same arc is there, starting point here, this is the start and this is the, you can see center and here. Okay, so this is one semicircular we drawn. Next one more, this is iso right side, another one will do for iso left. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the F5, so you can see it is changed to isoplane left. Okay, now select the line here and just take any one of the height, how much, 30, again we'll go for this is 60, again come down 30, again come this side 60. So now this thing is completed. Now what I'll do, I'll just change this position, or I'll draw another one line here actually. So that should be here again 30, take the midpoint and just join in the midpoint. Okay, now midpoint I completed. Next this diagonal is just join it, this diagonal, join it, and from here I'll take this midpoint of this, yeah, midpoint of this, enter. Now again you go for this arc, select this midpoint of this and just take it the distance and just close it here. Okay, one side we completed, another side need to be drawn, so same method need to be followed. You just draw from here to 30 and just join this corner point, enter, go for again this arc, select this point and take this center start and just end it here. Okay, completed. This is the two methods to draw in the vertical and vertically to draw iso left and iso right side. And this one we can change the color also. You can, if you want to highlight it, you can highlight it also, and you go for line weight setting to make it display line weight. Now you can see displayed. Okay, one more type is there, that is iso top. So again, to change my cursor from iso left to iso top, again I'll just click on the F5. That's it. So again you just select this line and take any one point on this and go for suppose 60 and go for this one 30, again come 60 here, again come down 30, enter it. Okay, now again same line, what we'll do, we just click the line again. Okay, and just take the distance from here, how much is there, 30, and just join it here. Okay, now where you join, now opposite one you just join the corner point here, corner point, and one more line you need to draw. This one already drawn. Yeah, we can draw from this midpoint to this corner point. Okay, now we'll go for this arc, select the arc and this center point. Okay, and this point as you can just join. So one side over, again other side to draw. What we'll do, so which side you have drawn, again in the same side only we need to draw the we need to extend the line. Okay, again 30 and just join up to here and enter, go for this arc, select this point, select this start and just you can close it here. Now this is the iso top semicircular plane. Just we can change it. Okay, increase the thickness and change the color of this. So you can see all these things in one side, in the one plane we have completed everything. Now we need to give all these dimensions. So dimensions we can give in aligned dimensions. Just click it here. See, we have taken the iso top, but we are giving in the iso right. That is not correct. So we'll go for here. Again, I'll just select this one. Okay, and you can change it to iso light and just select this dimension from here to, or the dimension we can give it easily, how we know very well how to give it. And here also you can give in the same iso left, you can mark it. Then the text also we need to mark it, all these points, the text A, B, C, D, all these things we need to mark it here. So again we can go for the text here, single line text, and just select here 3, 0, and whatever you want to mention it, you can mark it. Here you can A, B, and this is C, and this is D point, and this one you can give E, and this is F point. Similarly, again we can mark it A, here B, and this is C point, and this is D point, and here you can mark it here E point, and this top is F point. Here also you can mark it A, and this is B, and this is our C point, and this is our D point. Here E point and F point. Mostly I think everywhere they given the same. Yeah, same thing given. So this is all about the semicircular plane in the isometric view. This one we're going to just move it. I'll take it in the middle of this. Okay, I'll just keep it here. Okay, now you can see this is our required answer. So I hope you understood how to draw it. If you are having any kind of query or doubt on this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.